Imagine being able to seamlessly navigate through an app effortlessly, understanding its functionality and usage, all thanks to some tiny, almost invisible cues. What's the secret behind this ease and fluidity? And how does it play a vital role in your user experience? Have you ever wondered what makes your favorite app so user-friendly and engaging? What if I told you that the answer lies in the smallest detail that you probably didn't even notice? In today's video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of micro-interactions and their crucial role in enhancing usability. But what exactly are they? And how do they make our digital experience so seamless? Let's dive deeper and unlock the mystery. Micro-interactions are subtle design elements that accomplish a single task. They could be as simple as like animation on your social media post or the subtle haptic feedback when you refresh your email. These tiny interactions may seem insignificant, but they provide instant feedback, they guide the task, and enhance the sense of direct manipulation, thereby greatly improving usability. Think about when you turn off airplane mode on your iPhone and the plane icon flies off the screen, or when increasing the brightness and the sun icon beams stretch upwards. These tiny design marvels add up to create a user-friendly and engaging digital environment and make our digital experience way more intuitive and satisfying. Did this change your perspective on how you view your everyday apps? Do you think you spot these micro-interactions now? And before we wrap up, here's a question to get your gears grinding. Can you name a micro-interaction that you encountered today in any of your favorite apps? Drop your answers in the comments below. Let's see who can spot the most intriguing micro-interactions. Thanks for joining us in this fascinating exploration, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more digital mysteries.